Inspiron 7000 series laptop model 7572. So first, let's start unboxing the laptop. As you can see, the packing is very durable. The packing is seriously very durable. So if someone bags the box a bit, then also laptop would not get damaged. In box we have also charger of the laptop, as you can see, and we have also bag, which is also pretty cool. First of all, when we wanted to buy a laptop, we searched for many laptop reviews and comparisons video, but we could not find any good review that we could rely on. So we are making this video, as everyone who wants to buy a laptop in this segment will able to compare other models with this one. The main problem while buying this laptop was that this can be purchased online only. We cannot test demo piece in the showroom. It is not available in any showroom. So let's go to the review part. Now, by the look and touch, it feels like very sturdy, and it has a shiny finish on the border. You can see it's look very good. Now in this laptop, here this is charging port, this is RJ45 Ethernet, this is HDMI port, and this is both USB 3.0 port, and this is headphone jack. Other side of the laptop, here SD card slot, and here USB 2.0 port. But you can see there is no USB-C type port in this laptop. In present days, they should provide USB-C type port. Now, the keyboard and touchpad are very well built. The precision drivers for the touchpad are better than other laptops, and this is an advantage over others. But of course, I must say the screen, I must say, is very much better in displaying photos or videos. The IPS panel works very well, and you can see the contents displayed from any angle precisely. We are not gamers, we have not played any games yet, but we have done video editing and rendering in some apps which calls for maximum processing power, and I must say it is better than other laptops in this price point. So considering the price, from my perspective, it is worth buying after seeing its quality and performance. Any of you who wants medium performance like video editing, medium gaming and running some graphics software also, but if you want high gaming performance, you need to get something like XPS or some other upper models. In my package, I bought an extra accidental damage pack including this, and the GST I bought about 67,000 Indian rupees. Now I will show you the sound and video quality of the laptop.
So YouTubers, if you like this video, please share this video as much as possible and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Peace.
Peace.